saying number 228. Amir al-Momineen, peace be upon him, said, in the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. He who is sorrowful for this world is in fact displeased with the dispensation of Allah. He who complains of a calamity that befalls him complains of his Lord, Allah. He who approaches a rich man and bends before him on account of his riches, then 2/3 of his religion is gone. If a man reads the Quran and on dying goes to hell, then it means that he was among those who treated divine verses with mockery. If a man's heart gets attached to the world, then it catches 3 things, namely worry that never leaves him, greed that does not abandon him, and desire which he never fulfills.